Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can leave your own server on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up your Discord application on PC and make sure you are logged in. And after logging in, you'll be brought to your account's main page. At the left side, you will be able to select a preferred server. And after selecting a server, what you need to do is just right click on the server's profile, or you can just click on the drop down menu arrow beside your server's name to access its menu. From the menu, select leave server and a confirmation message will be displayed on the screen. Just select leave and you'll be able to leave the server permanently. And that's how you can leave your own server on Discord. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.